Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying which drive needs the recovery key and confirming the encryption type. This matters because solutions differ. Once done, locate your 48-digit BitLocker key or File Vault recovery key in your Microsoft account, Apple ID, Printout, or Enterprise portal. Make sure you have administrator credentials and a separate working PC and a USB drive ready for recovery tools. Begin immediately by removing external disks to prevent accidental selection. This sets a safe environment and reduces risk while you retrieve the key. You now retrieve the stored key. Sign into the linked Microsoft or Apple account or your Azure AD/Work portal because that's where providers store recovery keys. If you cannot reach that account, locate any printed key, exported TXT file on USB, or ask your IT admin for the escrowed key. Once you have it, return to the locked PC, access the recovery prompt or boot from prepared media, and carefully type the full recovery key. Make sure to enter every digit exactly as shown. You finish by letting the drive decrypt or by signing back into the system. Once access is restored, immediately back up the recovery key to your account, a secure file, or a printed copy to prevent repeat lockouts. If the key is rejected, double-check every digit, confirm the keyboard layout, and that there were no stray spaces from copy-paste. If the key is missing or corrupted, escalate to enterprise IT or vendor support instead of trying destructive repairs. This preserves data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.